Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 268 Roblox, right? So basically you can fix this error code in a various way. The very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the setting of your computer or the laptop and you have to uninstall the Roblox, okay? And after that, just come to the roblox.com, the website, and just click on any game. Let's say if I just click here, and after that you can see this green icon, so basically on the play, and this is, it will say Roblox is now loading, get ready, okay? And here after the uninstalling, you will see the option download and install Roblox. So just click on here and you have to install the Roblox in your phone, in your laptop once again, and after that it will fix your problem, okay? And the next thing you can do, you can just restart your laptop or PC, and after that it may fix your problem. So this is it. This is a normal problem. You have to just do it and make sure that you have a pretty good connection while playing the game, and this will also help you to fix that problem. So this is it. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.